A draw today against your bitter rivals TUT, your summation of the 90 minutes.
To be fair, most of the girls hasn't been playing competitive football for about 3 weeks. I think our last game was 3 weeks ago against Copperbelt. Taking away those that played Varsity Cup, a lot of us that was starting today also, we haven't played competitive football in a while, so you could see a bit of rustiness, a bit of tiredness coming towards the end, some of the girls pulling. I think under the circumstances, I think the girls showed a good effort. They showed some good character, some good team spirit. TUT, they came hard at us first half. I think they created some good chances. I think the last 15 minutes of the game, our team pushed more. We created a lot more chances going forward. We got some good chances. We even scored, and it was called offside. And I think we had another few chances to get the 3 points. But I guess we take the point, coming back from the break. And then we have to move on, look forward, and we wanted a win, because playing away we drew 1-1, and we know it's our home ground. We wanted a win, but I think we take the draw.
Yeah, taking a draw and then going to Richmond's over the weekend, surely that will be a different ball game. How are you planning to maybe get 3 points away from home?
Going to Richmond, I think you can ask any team in the league. It's never easy going to the R, playing that side. We know going away, playing to Richmond, it's very, very tough. We were there last year. We grinded out the result. We got the 3 points, but I think this year it's a different ball game. We just have to take from this game and move forward. Fix what we did wrong today, take the positives and work on our positives, see how we can work with the positives and how we can exploit Richmond. I think it's going to be a tough game. I think the girls just have to be mentally prepared. I think we have to go there and fight as much as we can, and I think the main objective for us is to go there, fight for 3 points and come back.
Talking about what you've learned today, what are some of the lessons that you take away from today's match despite it being a draw?
I think one thing that I've learned is being mentally strong, because as much as the body or the bodies of the players are saying I can't do this, but I think once you apply your mind, or once you give you use your mind more, in the sense of like the legs are giving in, so you use your mind more. I think that's one thing that I've learned, that sometimes when the legs get tired, you just have to be smart on the ball, and you just have to think quicker. As much as we getting tired, the opponent's also getting tired, so it's how we can exploit them in those areas. And also just team spirit, encouraging one another, and if one person is down, trying to lift them up and get them back in the game.
And lastly, we are still the month of women, which is we celebrate Women's Month. What's your message to those young girls who are looking up to you as an inspiration to them?
My message to the younger ones, or the younger girls that is looking up to me, that is looking at me and saying, I want to be there, I want to be her one day, it's just that keep on dreaming, keep on believing, whatever you set your mind to, you can achieve. And us as women that are currently in the industry, trying to break the boundaries, break the barriers, let's keep on pushing through, let's keep on fighting for women's right in sport, and let's keep on pushing for equality.
Last one, your choice of wearing jersey number 50.
There's not much to it. I was at AmaTuks before, and then I came back. I was wearing 18, and then when I came back, it was later in the stage, because initially I had other plans. I was gonna move abroad, but then unfortunately that didn't work out. But we know everything happens for a reason. Everything will happen on its time. And then it was a matter of you need to choose a number, and then most of the numbers were taken, and then it's like, okay, why not 50?
Okay. Thanks.